Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know haven't been really updating with some of my plants, but I do have another upcoming video where some of my plants died, so I had to like throw them away, aka bury them. But I just wanted to show you guys something. This one, remember this one a few videos back? This one came from, you could see the aerial roots. There's so many. I didn't realize it had so many aerial roots. So a few videos back I showed you guys that I actually propagated this one. It was two of them from this big one, and this big one has actually started to grow sideways, and then it grew. Right now it has 3 pups, 1, 2, 3 over there, and then this one is the original one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the pups out yet, but we'll see. But this one has continued to flourish, and I realized a day ago that it has so many aerial roots. It's so sunny here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there you go. It has so many aerial roots around there. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take some of the bottom ones off and propagate them, and then put more soil in. That's what I'm gonna end up doing, because it's actually growing. It's doing the same thing one of my other one was doing, the smaller one that I had before. It's actually growing longer, but it's not growing any more leaves. I feel like if I take the bottom ones off, it might grow leaves maybe, but since it has aerial roots already down there, I'm just gonna fill it up with soil and see what happens. But yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys with that. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys in the next video, and just make sure to like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.